Hey. Here. Hey. Hey.
Guys, as you can see, we are in 15 minutes and it's my bedtime, and 12 a.m. Very soon I'm going to sleep, but same time I like to say that because of the behavioral pattern, I have taken this trade even the market is going sluggish or blah blah blah. This is not a proper time to trade, but as the pattern actually arise and I'm in front of the station, and that is why I have take this trade. And if I go to M5, and you guys can see 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and the pattern arise, and that's why I have taken this trade. And already today's market actually you know that trapped some people in upstairs, but same time obviously this is a consolidation period and this pattern also there, so that is why I have taken this trade, and I can very easily cross this because 20 plus point is there. But I think for some reason this might come this far, but I will not get so much greedy, so I will take my profit in front of you.
In front of you guys can see $37.54. so as a trader 34.54 lot size. Let me go to the 5-minute chart as I know and how to read this chart. So let me say that I will go for a sell, and I will go for a 20 pip profit, let's say 22, and I set myself with my PipTHIEF strategy because I know this market very well. And maybe those who will follow me in the class, actually they will see another 22 point of profit. That might be $700 plus, something like that. So that is the thing what I have to say to you guys. The trade is running, obviously you guys can see, so don't panic because it's a big investment account, let's say in a perspective, even if it is a demo account. But my goal is to say that PipTHIEF is the real thing. We follow the real thing and we make a proper profit from this market. See, this is my stop loss size, and this is my take profit size, and same time my account is this position. I'm waiting for auto in 20 point because this stop loss is exactly under 20 point. So when it will pass, automatically the trade will get stopped, and that is how. In between there, when I take the trade, actually the stop loss didn't get that far. The market price didn't get that far, and you guys can ask me all those questions, and I will give you guys answer why that much stop loss and all those kind of thing. But let me show you guys from here to our order size is 150 point, and 150 point is our daily target. Obviously is what to say, 100 point per day, and stop loss at least we should keep 150 point of stop loss, so we don't lose that much if we actually do wrong understanding the market. But if we understand the market, it's very easy, like I am doing right now. So I am 100% sure about this right now, that this gonna actually happen. And this video come from the past recap video, and yeah, we got it, and thank you, we enjoy the profit.
This is 1 minute chart, and already I can see that the market come this far, and in 1 hour actually. So that's why I'm gonna take the trade because the behavioral pattern actually arise in 5 minutes. I can see the behavioral pattern, and this is the first one. You guys actually notice that I always talked about the second, fourth, fifth, something like that actually. So this is the first one, behavioral, and I go to 1 minute. It will take little bit time maybe, but we can see we have enough room to capture our 20 points or so. So that's why I take this trade, and let's see if I can put my, no, they will not let me actually set up my take profit or so, something like that. And you can see the zero spread account. If the market actually go their way, then I can, but at this moment it's in my way, so I have to stay with the situation. So I can see 11 point, and I like to take my 20 point and get out from the market. And I'm in 1 minute chart, 18 point, 21, oh no, 17, 16, something like that is happening. So I will take, let's see, sorry, okay, 18, 16, 18, 16, 18, 16, something like that is showing. Okay, 20, 21, oh no, sorry. Okay, anyway, but I have to prove that it's easy. When you see the behavioral pattern, because
for a sale. So now my target will be 20 point, obviously, from here. As you can see, after taking the trade, already the trade got 10 point in profit. So let's see how the setup progress. So we are just in 1 minute situation, and okay, so I will give you guys update if it takes long. Sometimes it takes a very small amount of time to get our 20 point, but sometimes because the market is a very slippery thing, it might take some time. So I don't want to longer the video that way, but obviously if I get live thing in front of you guys, obviously you guys might able to see, but we have little bit shortage in video timing and all those kind of things. So based on that, I'm trying to capturing this live trade. So let me zoom little bit so you guys can see more clearly. And first let me go to the 15-minute chart so you guys see the behavior pattern, and in 5 minutes you guys can see what's happening, because you guys already take the class and it's a maze also for you guys. So I will ask you in the class there why exactly I take the trade, because if you follow my classes, so already you know, but obviously for some people they need to understand why KAZi take the trade. If they don't understand, so it will be better situation. So already we are exactly in 20, but we are lucky, so we take close the trade with little bit bonus point. So our target was only what to say, only 20 point, but I have taken the trade, but I have to wait because I am in the last stage of this pattern, and if I don't see any progress, then obviously I have to take the loss. Little loss I will take. Otherwise, if I am lucky, because this is the third stage is going on in this pattern. Now I can see I am very close to the profit, but is the actually behavior pattern is very scary situation, because we never know that it's gonna happen or not. So it's better in this position you cut off the trade, because that's it, that's what you can do. But if you stay with the 1 minute, and this little bit confirmation might help you, but as you can see, this candle come down. So I will wait a little bit more, but if I see
okay, I'll go for the trade. So obviously this video I will continue, but very fast is actually I will set my 20 point. It will not let me do that. This is the second continuation of the video. As you can see, I took the trade because of the 15-minute situation, behavioral pattern, and all those kind of thing. I am very close to my target of 20 point, and if I go to the 1 minute chart, you can see actually even if it is a sluggish market, it's progressing. So if you know PipTHIEF, actually you can trade like this. That was my promise from the very beginning, because I see this behavioral pattern for a long time, and this is very easy now for me, but for you guys obviously you should learn. And you guys can see I marked it with the round circle and all this kind of thing, and because it's a sluggish market, but to prove you guys that it can happen anytime, and if your setup is well, obviously. And also you can see I marked another line, so actually the range is from this line to that line, mean 40 point, and voila, actually I win the trade, and it's a successful trade. So this is how we can actually trade in PipTHIEF with confidence and all those kind of things.